1, 2, 3. Worry about your makeup, beautifuls. So,
It's your girl, Jamisha.
and it's your girl, Shayla.
It's your girl, Kalina.
And we're about to do our room tour, but we're going to a different room in one more day, but we're just
We
showing
might
you
go to a different room.
we might. But this is just a room tour of this, and yeah. So we're gonna knock on the door. I'll kick it.
Welcome, beautifuls.
So first when you walk in, there's this mirror right behind the door, and there's a closet. It's a mirror closet. And then you come in, and this is the TV. It's a smart TV. And then they have this picture right here. Turn on the light. There's this picture right here. Well, I don't know what that is. Some kind of decoration. And then here's another mirror. This is a cute mirror. I'm recording on my phone, by the way, because the cameras are charging.
Yeah.
This is our outfit. Show your outfit, Jamisha.
Okay.
This is our outfit of the day.
She got tank top.
And this is my outfit. This is the living room. This is
a chandelier.
what is this called?
Is that an ottoman?
So this is the ottoman.
It's a roll. Okay.
And this is the couch. This is a beautiful couch, guys. And
Yeah.
this is the
And
other
look.
wall, and then right under
came
that is
with-
another couch.
A remote. A remote.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna come over here, and here's another portrait, and here's the dining table for 4. And here's a little area for a coffee. You could just sit there, eat your coffee, and watch the TV. like
Eat
that.
your
This is the
coffee.
kitchen.
Drink your coffee. Here's the kitchen.
It's
Let me turn on the light.
So
Go do the kitchen.
a flying there.
we have a stove,
And we have.
and it looks kind of old. But
Yeah, it
that's okay.
does. At least it's a dishwasher. There's a
There's
dishwasher.
nothing to eat.
The dishwasher is called Frigidaire. Show
Better
the
close it.
refrigerator.
It's like area.
Before we
Let's
put
open
food
it.
in it. The freezer.
And then we have a mic.
Ooh, there's
It's a
ice.
soybean microwave.
Oh,
I
look.
There's
This is
some
so cool,
Febreze,
look.
some noodles.
So why are there noodles in
I don't
here?
Look, guys.
What's in this
guys,
one? Pots, the old kennel,
That's for tea.
dishes.
But look, guys.
Which
guys.
you probably won't use.
Guys,
You get
look.
plastic.
Look, this is a trick.
Silverware.
Oh my goodness.
Not this.
That's
When you
not
press
a trick, Kalina. That's
It
for all
opens.
microwaves.
Wait, this, where's the forks?
But I never had. I never
By
had.
their own. I wouldn't use them from here.
Me either. Just saying.
So let's go show them
Oh, show
that
them
part.
the cute rug.
Oh, here's a cute rug
here's
from right
the
when you
cute
before you come in
rug.
the kitchen.
And
Show
look,
them that.
No, and we also got these little chairs.
Wait.
I
Also
did
got
it.
these chairs.
Okay.
Oh,
And they're scratching it up over there.
So I opened the door. I opened the door for you. Oh, gotta show them the Tescalope.
The testicle.
The Tescalope.
okay.
So first when you come out here, this is our view, our big patio. I'm really scared, but I'm doing this for y'all.
Okay,
So,
and
yeah.
it's
And we
really
have an
cold.
ocean view, but it's all the way
We
over
have a
there.
beautiful view.
Oh, and look at the mountains. See the
You're so beautiful. And right there is some big building.
We have like another mountain.
That's how it looks down there.
And then there's a tennis court right there. And there's a pool over there. Show them the Tescalope and tell us.
And we have a testicle.
And we have a table and 2 chairs for smokers. Show them it. So yeah, we can show y'all at night. It doesn't look.
Yeah.
We can try to play with it.
We'll do
There's
it
a
live.
plant over
Oh, I
there.
can see it.
That there's a plant. Now we got to show you
Our
guys the
rooms and stuff. Okay, so we come back in the inside in the beautiful, beautiful house.
So we're now back inside, and now let's show you our room. Okay,
So this is a bathroom.
yes, this is a bathroom.
Jamisha's dad is getting ready, so we're not going in there. This is another room.
It's
It has 2 beds.
I have 2 beds with comfortable sheets that are so fluffy. And my mom
in the
just
closet.
Yeah, this is their view window.
yeah.
There's the closet. It's another mirror closet.
In the morning, I think I saw like the Hollywood sign or something because
And this is our room. We have the biggest room. This is another closet. All the closets have mirrors like that.
yeah, and this have
They have
another
these
mirror.
little shelf drawers, whatever that
and
is.
and they have another mirror over here.
Yeah.
And we come with the pillow over there.
So this is our bed. I know it's messy, but we're just trying to get our stuff that we need for today. We have all our tripods and our waterproof bags and our extra clothes that we're gonna change into and stuff. So yeah, this is our bathroom. This is the shower.
Yeah, and
All our towels.
if you like a really
The
hot
sink.
bath, I mean a hot shower, go in there. This is really hot because when you get out, they're like steam coming out. Like
Every shower does that.
no, I don't. That's
Okay,
solid.
this is the
Okay.
toilet, the Johnson.
I brought
And
that
under
in.
the sink, there's empty. Oh wait, it's not empty. It's some cleaner stuff.
Yeah.
That's all that's under there.
And you get these
Gummy bears left.
No.
Sorry.
You better get me some more when we go to Target. They ate all my gummy bears. I like them gummy bears. Dang. Okay, so that concludes. Come in here so we can do the outro. This will be one
It
video.
almost matched with my clothes.
Show them. and
Look,
let your
it
clothes.
almost matched with my clothes.
Okay, so that concludes this video for today. We'll be posting
Hit
another
that
video
gummy
maybe.
like button if you like gummies.
Hit that gummy like button.
If you like gummies.
What else?
Wait, we might just like add it all together. It depends. But we probably will post it separately so we can have some short videos on
Yeah.
our channel.
But anyway, I tried to do my edges, y'all. Let me see. I didn't do the best.
You can put that in
because-
the vlog. This is just the room tour.
But anyways, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye, beautifuls.
Bye, beautiful.
Oh,
We
we
changed
our
our outfits, and this is the shirts we have on now because it says
And we all got
adventure
on
awaits
ripped
and lost.
jeans.
Yeah, we all have on ripped jeans.
And she have on Pumas, I have on Nikes, and Kalina have on sandals. Okay, let's go. We're running late.
Yeah, we gotta go.